Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you another extremely useful tool which are Move and Mirror tool. In this video with the help of these two tools I want to create a blade of a pump, or you can say of a turbine. Let's see how we can do that. By the way, in the description I have included Amazon links for some good CFD books and useful tools. Using these links also support the channel. I have already created one blade. There are different ways of doing that. We will do with the Move tool. To use Move tool, go to Sketch and select your body. For example, I have selected this body. Now click on Move tool. You can move this body in different ways. For example, you can move along Z-axis, you can move along X-axis, you can move along Y-axis, or you can rotate along any other axis. So it's up to you how you want to use. I want to create 4 blades with the help of these two tools. First, let's create a mirror of this blade. For that, I have to create a plane, go to design and select this plane. I want to create a plane in YZ plane. For that, click on X-axis and it will create a plane in YZ plane. I can move this plane left or right as I did with the Move tool. Let's select this one and bring this one little closer. Let's say I want to create over here. To create a mirror image for this one, go to design and select mirror, and it is saying select mirror plane. I want to mirror this body along this plane. Select this one. Now here is one important thing. If you see over here, it says create mirror relationship. Let's check both options. First I will check this one and click on this body, and now I have created this mirror image. Let's move this mirror image. If I select this one and I go and move this one, so you see these two image or these two bodies are interconnected, because that's what it was saying over here. I don't want this. So anyway, if you don't want to have any connection these two bodies, you have to uncheck that option. Let's go back, undo, again select mirror plane. I want to mirror along this plane, and then create mirror relationship. I don't want to have any relationship, I want independent body. Then this icon is already selected and I will click on this one and it will create a mirror image of this one. So I got two bodies. Now if I move this one, let's say in sketch, click, I move up and down, and you can see these two are independent, they are not connected at all. Now I want to create a blade. For that I will bring this blade over here. So I will move this one little bit down, this one over here. You can do it manually or you can enter number over here. So I am just creating a blade like that. I want to move this one little bit down, and that's perfectly fine. I have created one blade, but these are two independent body. Let me hide this plane. I can merge these two bodies. For that, select this body, hold control this one, and then go to design and I will say combine. I want to combine, it has already combined. Now I got this blade. Okay, I want to create another blade, and that blade I want to rotate by 90 degree. Again, there are different ways of doing that. We will stick to Move tool, select this body and click on the Move tool. Okay, normally if I move this one, so it will move my body left, right, up and down wherever I want. But I want to create a copy. For that, hold Control on your keyboard. Now if you will move, it will create another body. Simple. Click on the body, move already selected, hold Control, and now if you will move, it will move a new body. Your original body will remain at its original position. In this way you can create a copy. Okay, I don't want to have so many copies. Let me press undo. Two are enough. I want to rotate this body and I want to join them at the center. For that I have to rotate along z-axis. So I will rotate this one, in other direction, and I want to rotate by 90 degree. So just keep your left mouse button, click and press 90 on your keyboard and hit enter. So it has rotated our body by 90 degree. Now I can move over here. I can zoom in and see, move little bit, and so now my two bodies are perfectly aligned, and I can merge these two bodies which I had showed you earlier. Go over here, combine. You can select earlier or later, doesn't matter. Hold control, click on one body, combine is already selected, click on the other one, and now you can see both bodies have been combined and we have created this blade with the help of move and mirror tool. That's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.